Prof. Scott, Geoff Scot as well, not all leaders have the guts to make changes. However, COVID-19 issues has pushed very hard on most HEI leaders. How to get this making changes culture in our higher education institution?
Well, you know, as Winston Churchill has said, and I think someone probably before him said, never waste a crisis. So the COVID actually, like moments of disruption are actually moments when there's more opportunity than when everything is absolutely stable, because we are all creatures of habit. So, you know, if you take the COVID issue in Australia, for example, universities have actually, in a sense, come to be seen to actually have a lot more to offer in terms of many of the sustainable development goals without articulating that that's what they're doing. You know, for example, we're working on not only on vaccines for COVID, you know, in the science area, but also how do you engage people with actually social distancing. So, for example, Australia took up, there was a whole lot of strategy looking at actually those people were rubbishing experts very, very much in the last 10 to 15 years. But suddenly in Australia, the government realised it had to do something to, in a sense, to keep in power. They went to the experts, and then we engaged very early. We shut the borders and we got into social distancing. We've currently got 4 deaths per million in Australia from COVID. 4 deaths per million. Sweden's got 500 deaths per million. Canada's got 200 deaths per million. So there's something about now the moment of realising that using expertise can actually make you look good politically. That is actually, I think, a very nuanced little way for which universities to position themselves around what they have been able to do for COVID and are willing to do for their country.
All right. Okay, thank you.